Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the diesel filter, you will need to lift the rear of your vehicle. Raise the rear of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can now see the flange on the diesel filter located at the front of the tank. Take a liquid collector of the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Using a flathead screwdriver, you can then unscrew the bleed screw from the flange to drain the diesel. Take a socket wrench and a 36mm socket. Loosen the oil filter by turning the wrench anti-clockwise until it begins to turn easily. Finish unscrewing by hand. As soon as it starts coming out, point it upwards to avoid spilling diesel.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Place the flange on filter in the collector. Separate the filter cartridge from the flange, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Clean the cover with brake cleaner fluid and a piece of tissue. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the seal from the bleed screw. Replace the seal with the one provided in the new filter box, taking care to properly oil the whole surface. Then lubricate the second seal. Insert the new filter into the flange until you hear the click that says it has been locked into place. Then correctly screw the drain screw back in. Remove the old seal from the flange and replace it with a new one. Put the flange back in place and screw it in by hand. To tighten it, take a socket wrench, an extender and a 36mm socket. For this step, you can also use a dynametric key that has been set to 25 Nm. You can then rest your vehicle on the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.